Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Apiarist, Beekeeper Assistant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Apiarist is a beekeeper management app designed to help hobbyist and professional beekeepers monitor and organize their apiaries efficiently. The app allows users to track hive health, record inspections, monitor honey production, set reminders for maintenance, and keep detailed logs of all activities. It offers visual tools, easy data entry, and multi-hive management features to streamline apiary operations. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean interface and organized layout, which makes logging inspections and tracking hive conditions straightforward. The reminder and notification system helps ensure maintenance tasks aren't missed. Many beekeepers also value the ability to access historical hive data, which aids in planning and improving overall hive health. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While the basic features are useful, some advanced tracking and reporting tools require a subscription. Occasional syncing issues and limited offline access have been reported by users. Additionally, the app may feel less intuitive for beginners who are new to beekeeping terminology or practices. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Apiarist app may be worth using if you're a beekeeper looking for a structured, mobile-friendly way to manage your hives. It excels in convenience, organization, and multi-hive tracking. However, if you're not ready to invest in premium features or are new to beekeeping, some aspects may feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.